Welcome to Sulzer Pumps. Your safety during this visit is of primary concern to us. Therefore, please make careful note of the points raised in this short film. We wish you a safe and productive visit. Your host will be informed of your arrival once your pass has been issued. A visitor's pass will be given to you, and this must be worn and visible while you are on site. Please read the safety leaflet provided to you by your host. Finally, please remember the pass must be returned to where it was issued when you sign out before leaving the site. The fire alarm is tested for a short time every week. Your host will advise you if a test is due during your visit. If the alarm sounds continuously or is heard at any other time, then a fire alert has been triggered and the buildings must be evacuated. In the event of an alert being triggered, you should use the nearest safe exit and go to your assigned emergency assembly point, details of which will be provided by your host. If for any reason you are not with your host when the alarm sounds, please contact any Sulzer employee when outside the building so you may be accounted for. Do not re-enter the building until instructed it is safe to do so. Please ensure that you have parked your vehicle in a designated space as directed by the security officer. And make sure to display your personal details notice on the dashboard, which will be provided by security or reception. In the unfortunate event of you having an accident or receiving an injury whilst on site, the incident must be reported to your host. Trained first aid staff are available in all areas. Smoking and the use of e-cigarettes, vaping, is only permitted in designated areas and is not allowed when walking around the offices or workshops. If you wish to smoke or vape, your host or contract organizer will direct you to the nearest smoking area. All mains-powered electrical equipment brought for use on the premises should have a current appliance test label. Equipment without such a label must not be used. On request, we may be able to provide appliance testing. Visitors should always stay with your host throughout your visit. Eye protection and safety footwear is compulsory in all the workshops. Visitors will have suitable protection provided for them. In addition, visitors must wear a high-visibility vest whilst in the workshop areas. When entering the workshops, please read the safety notices. Forklift trucks and other vehicles are in constant use throughout the plant. Be aware of their presence and take particular care of reversing trucks or loaded forklifts where the driver's vision may be obstructed. Another common hazard is the movement of heavy loads using overhead cranes. You should never stand or walk beneath any load being moved by crane. If you produce any waste on site during your visit, please dispose of it in the appropriate bin. By the nature of the processes in some departments, spilt liquids and swarf debris are a potential risk. Be aware of the slip hazards that such spillages can present. Avoid walking through the spillage or any other wet surface following a recently cleaned up spill. Following these simple rules and guidelines will help ensure that you have a safe visit. If anything is unclear, your host will be happy to assist you. As part of our safety management systems, we actively encourage visitors who notice any issues they feel to be unsafe to report the issue to their host. On behalf of Sulzer Pumps, thank you for your cooperation.